Hello, and welcome to Power Homeschool, the official provider of Acellus courses for homeschoolers. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to set up and to manage your account through the parent interface. If by the end of this video you would like additional tutorials on how to complete specific actions such as adjusting the weekly goal or printing reports, please visit powerhomeschool.org/support. So when you first create your account in Power Homeschool, the system is going to assign classes based off of your student's age. Once you've confirmed your course selection, the system will give you the student's Acellus ID and password. This is what the student's going to use to sign into their account to access the courses. Now, to sign into the parent interface, we are going to need the Acellus app on our device. So once you open the app, you're going to click on Parent/Teacher Sign-In. So you're going to enter your email address that you used to create your account, and then you're going to choose a PIN that's going to be used in your future sign-ins. It's going to ask you to do email or phone verification. And once you do that, we're now signed into the parent account. You can see here it's showing us a list of our students as well as Manage Account. The Manage Account section is where you're going to be able to change the student's courses, set class goals, and manage your subscription and payments. So we're going to start off by selecting one of our students for more details. Here we can see all of our students' classes on the left side of the screen, and on the right side we have the GPA, time spent report, and work completed report. Now, as the parent and the teacher of your student, it's very important to make sure that you're monitoring student progress. Now, on this page, we have some really important tools to help you do that. Here you can see that we have the class grade, the goals, and then also the progress. The goal indicator will show you when the goal has been completed or how many steps they have left to complete. The progress percentage shows you how much of the course has been completed. Up above, you will also see the projected course completion date. This is very helpful for evaluating to see if your child is on track to complete the course by the end of the school year. This gives you a really good indication as to how much of the course you have completed and if you need to make an adjustment in the pace that your student is continuing through this course. Now, to see more details, we can click on a specific course to see every step that has been completed, along with a date and time and also a score for each of the assessments. Now remember, you can get as detailed as you want by selecting any specific assessment. This gives you the ability to see exactly what your student was presented so that you can give targeted help and specific feedback to your student. Next, let's jump over to the student account option at the top of the page. Here's where you can find your student's Acellus ID and password that they used to sign in with. All right, now let's navigate back to the parent dashboard. And now let's take a look at Manage Account. Here you can see we have account status and our next scheduled payment and billing details. Let's click on billing details. Here you can see this is where we can select to process a payment or change the payment info. Now please note that the payments are withdrawn automatically by the system, but if for any reason you need to change your payment method or process a payment manually, this is where you can do it. Now we're going to navigate back to subscription management by clicking here. Now as we scroll down, we can see each of our students along with their current courses. Now off to the right of each course, we're going to see an edit option and also a delete option. This is how you can edit your student's course selection at any time. Now off to the right, we also see weekly goal for each of the different classes and a preset weekly goal number. Now this preset weekly goal number is going to be what's auto-generated by the system for the student to be finishing the course within a given normal school year. As the schooling schedule can really vary in a homeschool environment, we highly recommend that you customize this goal to best fit your learning environment at home. All right, well that concludes our walkthrough today. Again, if you would like more tutorials on how to complete specific tasks, please visit powerhomeschool.org/support.